Hello everyone, welcome to Maths classes. Let's solve question number 3 and 4 in exercise 5.2 chapter Arithmetic Progressions, class 10 NCERT Maths. The concept is finding missing terms in an arithmetic progression. Let's solve the problems. In the following arithmetic progressions, find the missing terms in the boxes. So the given arithmetic progression is 2. The second term is missing and then 26. Let's solve the problem. So, the first term is 2 and we don't know the second term. The third term is 26. So, we don't know the second term. Let us assume it as x. Okay. In our arithmetic progression, we know that, what do we know? Difference between consecutive terms is same always. Difference between consecutive terms is same in arithmetic progression. We know this. So, this is the first term, this is the second term and this is the third term. Difference between the consecutive terms must be same. So, first and second terms are consecutive. Difference between them is x minus 2. This will be equal to, and second term and third term are also consecutive. So, difference between those two numbers is what? 26 minus x. In an arithmetic progression, difference between consecutive terms will be same. We have assumed the second term as x. Difference between the terms, second and first term is x minus 2. And difference between third and second term is 26 minus x. The difference must be same. So, we made the difference as equal. X minus 2 is equal to 26 minus x. This minus x is on the right side of the equation. If it comes left side, it will become plus x is equal to 26. 2x minus 2 is equal to 26. 2x is equal to 26 minus 2 is on left side. It will come to right side. It will become plus 2. 2x is equal to 28. That means x is equal to 28 by 2. That is x is equal to 14. We got the second term. The answer is 14. The missing term is 14. This is one method of solving the problem. Let's see another method. See, the question is 2 and we don't know the second term and then 26. This is first term, this is second term, this is third term. Okay. And now let's see the second method. Here we know one formula in arithmetic progression. What is that? Nth term of an arithmetic progression, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here an means nth term, a means first term, d means common difference. Here we know the third term, right? So, let's write a3, third term a3 is equal to a plus n is what? 3 minus 1 into d. Okay. A3 we know this already. So, 26 is equal to a. First term is what? A means first term. We know the first term. 2 plus 3 minus 1 into, we don't know the common difference. Write it as it is. So, 26 is equal to 2 plus 3 minus 1 is 2d. So, 26 minus 2 is equal to 2d. That means 24 is equal to 2d. So, you will get d is what? 2 ones are 2 12s. So, you got d value as 12. Now, you got the common difference as 12. If we know the common difference, can we find the terms? Yes. We know the first term. First term is 2. So, first term a is 2. What will be the second term? Second term will be a plus d. That means 2 plus what we got common difference? 12. So, 2 plus 12 is 14. So, we will get the same answer again in this method also. What did we do? We know the formula for nth term of the arithmetic progression. Here, the nth term is third term here. A3 is equal to a plus 3 minus 1 into d. We know the value of third term as 26. The first term a is 2. N is 3. We substituted. We got the common difference. From the common difference, we can find the second term. First term is A, then second term will be A plus D, third term will be A plus 2D. In this way, you can find the answer. Now, this is the first term. 13 is the second term. We don't know third term also. We know the fourth term. We should find the first term, third term. They have given us second term. Second term A2 is what? 13. And fourth term is also given. A4 is equal to 3. We know the formula for nth term of an arithmetic progression. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here An means what? Nth term. A is first term. D is what? Common difference. So we can use this formula. They have given second term as 13. Now let's use this formula. According to this formula, A2 is equal to what? A plus 2 minus 1 into common difference we don't know. So write as it is. A2 we already know as 13. 13 is equal to A plus 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 into D is D. So we got one equation here. First equation, A plus D is equal to 13. We also know the fourth term. They have given A4 is equal to 3. We know the formula, right? A4 is what? A4 means fourth term. A plus n minus 1. That means 4 minus 1 into D. A4 they have given it as 3. So 3 is equal to A plus 4 minus 1 is 3. 3D. From this, can we find the value of A? 3 minus 3D is equal to A. Okay, this is second equation. Substitute 2 in 1. We know the value of A. Let's substitute the value of A in first equation. What is first equation? A plus D is equal to 13. So you get 3 minus 3D. Here you have the value of A. 3 minus 3D plus D is equal to 13. So 3 minus 3D plus D is minus 2D is equal to 13. 3, this plus 13 is on right side of the equation. If it comes left side, it will become minus 13 is equal to minus 2D is on the left side. If it comes right side, it will become plus 2D. 3 minus 13 is minus 10. Minus 10 is equal to 2D. That means minus 10, 2 into D. If it comes to left side, it will become divided by. So 2 ones, 2 5s. So the value of D is minus 5. We got the value of D. Let's substitute here the value of D in first equation. What is first equation? A plus D is equal to 13. A minus 5. We got value of D as minus 5 is equal to that means A is equal to 13 plus 5. So we got value of A. The first term A1 is 13. So first term A1 is 18. Sorry, 13 plus 5 is 18. So first term we got as 18. Now third term. What is third term? Third term is nothing but second term plus common difference. A2 plus D. So A2 is what? Second term we already know it is 13. 13 plus common difference is minus 5. 13 minus 5 is what? 8. So we got the third term also as 8. In this way we can find using only one formula. We used only one formula here. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. If we know this formula, we can solve the problem. So here they have given the first term. We don't know the second term. We don't know the third term. Again they have given the fourth term. So first term is given A1 is equal to 5. A or A1, you can tell anything. And the fourth term A4 is what? 9, 1 by 2. That means it is mixed fraction. 9 2 is 18. 18 plus 1 is 19 by 2. Now, how can we solve the problem? How can we find the second term and third term? We know the formula for nth term. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now, we know what? We know the fourth term. So, a4 is equal to a plus 4 minus 1 into d. A4 is what? 19 by 2. Let's substitute that. 19 by 2 is equal to A is what? First term. We already know that. So let's substitute that. 5 plus 4 minus 1 is 3. 3D. 19 by 2 minus 5 is equal to 3D. So you get 2 as LCM. 19 minus 10 is equal to 3D. That means 9 by 2 is equal to 3D. 3 ones are 3 threes are 9. So you get the value of D as what? 3 by 2. Now we got the value of D. We know the first term. We can find the second term. There are many ways. We know that second term is what? Second term A2 is equal to first term plus common difference. We already know the first term. 5 plus 3 by 2. That means 5. 2 as LCM you get 10 plus 3. So 13 by 2. This is the second term. Now third term means what? Third term is A3. A3 means what? Second term plus common difference. So second term we got 13 by 2. Common difference is what? 3 by 2. So you get 13 plus 3 is 16 by 2. That means 2 8s are 16. You get third term as 8. This is one method of doing the problem. Here second term and third term finding it. Or you can do in another way. How can you do? We know the formula, right? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here a2. To find the second term, you can write a2 is equal to a means first term, that is 5 plus 2 minus 1 into common difference is what? 3 by 2. So 5 plus 2 minus 1 is 1. 5 plus 3 by 2. LCM is 2. You get 10 plus 3. 13 by 2. In this way also you got the same answer. Here 13 by 2, here 13 by 2. Similarly, you can find the third term. A3 is equal to a plus 3 minus 1 into d. N minus 1 into d. A3 is equal to a is first term 5 plus 3 minus 1 is 2. Common difference is what? 3 by 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. 5 plus 3 is 8. So this is the first method to solve the problem, or you can use the second method also. Using the formula also you can find the third term. If you know the common difference in the first term, you can find it. Next problem. They have given the first term and last term. We need to find the other terms. This is the first term. Next, second, third, fourth, fifth, and then sixth term. So they have given a1 first term is minus 4 a1, or you can tell it as a. And the sixth term a6 is equal to 6. Now how can we find? The formula is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we know the sixth term. So let's substitute. A6 is equal to a plus 6 minus 1 into d. A6 is what? The value is 6. So 6 is equal to, here it is given. What is the first term? Minus 4. Minus 4 plus 6 minus 1 is 5d. 6 minus 4, if it comes on the left side of the equation, it will become plus 4. 6 plus 4 is equal to 5d. 10 is equal to 5d. So 10 by 5. 5 is on right side. It is in numerator. If it comes to left side, it will become denominator. 10 by 5 is equal to d. 5 2. So the value of d is 2. We know the value of d now. We know the first term. We can find the other terms. Now, second term a2 means what? First term plus common difference. So first term is minus 4. Common difference is 2. Minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. Now you can find third term. Third term means what? Second term plus common difference. So minus 2 plus 2. D is 2. 0. Now fourth term. A4 means third term plus common difference again. So A3 is 0 plus common difference is 2. So fourth term is 2. And now the finally fifth term. A5 is equal to fourth term plus common difference. Fourth term is what? 2. 2 plus 2, you will get 4. Thus you can find all the terms. You can directly find in this way, or for every step you can use the formula A3 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D here. A3 means A plus 3 minus 1 into D. So A plus 2D. The value of A is what? Minus 4. Plus 2 into D is 2. Minus 4 plus 4, 0. So same answers you will get. Anyways you can do. Next question. Now this is first term, this is second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. So we know second term A2 is equal to 38. Then sixth term A6 is equal to minus 22. How can you solve the problem? We need to know only one formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now, first they have given second term. So, we will write formula for that. A2 is equal to A plus 2 minus 1 into D. A2 is what? 38. So, 38 is equal to A. We don't know the first term also. So, A plus 2 minus 1 is 1 into D is D. This is the first equation. We have sixth term also. So, A6 is equal to A plus n minus 1 means 6 minus 1 into D. A6, we already know A6 is what? Minus 22. Minus 22 is equal to A plus 5D. This is second equation. From first equation, can we write the value of A? A is equal to what? 38 minus D. Let's substitute it in the second equation. Substitute value of A from first equation. What do we get? Minus 22 is equal to 38 minus D plus 5D. Then you get minus 22 is equal to 38 minus D plus 5D is plus 4D. That means minus 22 minus 38 is equal to 4D. So you get minus 60 is equal to 4D. So 4 1s are 4 5s are. So the value of D is minus 15. We got the value of D. Now from the first equation, what is first equation? This is first equation. A plus D is equal to 38. Substitute the value of D. You get A minus 15 is equal to 38. That means A is equal to 38 minus 15. If it comes to right side, it will become plus 15. 38 plus 15 is 53. You got the first term as 53. This first term is 53. We know the second term. Can we find the third term? Yes. Third term A3 will be what? Second term plus common difference. That means second term is, this is the second term, they have given that. 38 plus common difference is what? Minus 15. 38 minus 15 you get 23. Now fourth term. Fourth term is third term plus common difference. So 23. Common difference is minus 15. Plus into minus you get minus again. So you get 8. Next, fifth term. Fifth term means fourth term plus common difference. Fourth term is 8. 8 minus 15. 8 plus minus 15 means plus into minus you get minus again. 8 minus 15 is C. Fourth term is what? It is 8. 8 plus common difference is what? Minus. So 8 as it is, plus into minus is minus, right? So I wrote it directly. 8 minus 15. 8 minus 15 means minus 7. So we are able to find third, fourth and fifth terms in this way. Next, which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on is 78? So they have given the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on. And they have one term AN they have given as 78. We should find what is the value of N. Value of N is question mark. Okay, only one formula we need. What is that formula? AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay, here we know the value of AN. What is it? 78. What is the value of AM is first term, that is 3. 3 plus N. We don't know which term is that. We know the term is 78. But what is the number? Which term is it? First term or second term or third term? We don't know. That is, we don't know the value of N, right, as it is. What is D? Common difference means difference between consecutive terms. D is equal to, you can write second term minus first term, A2 minus A1. So 8 minus 3, you get 5. Substitute it. So 78 is equal to 3 plus 5. N into 5 is 5 and minus into plus minus 5 into 1 is 5. So 78 is equal to 3 minus 5 minus 2 plus 5n. 78 minus 3, if it comes left side, it will become plus 2. So 80 is equal to 5n. 5 ones are 5, 6 are 30. So n is equal to 16. So 78 means 16th term. 16th term is 78. We are able to find the value of n here. 16. 16th term is 78. Thank you for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe.